Whenever you are trying to generate an idea, so always you are giving a priority for unique product. Okay, the customer want to accept. Now finally, if you are getting a positive, then you are trying to go for commercializing. Any business is offering any product or service which is just for getting a profit. If you want to capture majority of market share, of course you need to depend on the technology so that you can reach wherever you think. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in Commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the previous year BCom question papers, Principles of Marketing, Section 3, first semester BCom. Okay, as per the NEP, so which is the last two section which is related to part 1, part A, part B. So now part C, so which is a continuation section, and here in the last section I have covered one question which is from the part C, 15 marks question. Now it is continue 13. What is the new product idea, and discuss the stages in the new product idea. So this question arises from the second unit, product. So the product idea, any businessman, if they are trying to producing a product, they are collecting information with the help of internal source and external source, what exactly they want to develop the product. So here the new product idea, there are million of products are available for the consumer requirement. Okay, so we visualize the detailed features of the model of product, because actually we need to prepare. If you have any idea to develop any product, of course you are developing a generating an idea from the internal source and external source. Okay, so idea may be contributed by scientist, okay, and professional designer, and rivals means your competitors, okay, and customers and sales force, top management, retailer, and even the employees also can contribute. The management also can contribute the idea. So with the help of internal source and external source, so most of the company having a R&D department, they are trying to generate an idea, okay, doing a real research. Okay, we may need a 16 new idea to get one commercial viable product. So because whenever you are trying to generate an idea, so always you are giving a priority for unique product. Okay, the customer want to accept. Suppose you generated around 10 ideas, so at the same time you cannot go for implementing this idea, whatever it is. So you're not converting. So you need to go for scrutinizing, okay, the best idea. So viable means actually you can ready to make a product, then that is a viable. So here the question which is related to the concept as well as the stages of new product process. So any businessman, either they are offering a consumer product, FMCG product or FMCD product, so based on the consumer requirement, now they start generating an idea. I told you in the previous slide, so you can generate your idea within the internal source, like within the company or within the business. So using a source like employee can contribute the idea, your R&D department can also generate an idea. So that is nothing but your idea generation. So idea you can collect from other person or external source where exactly the market is located. So with the help of market, even based on the competitors, okay, if there is a consumer problem basis also you can generate an idea. So just for preparing a product. Now, for example, you have generated 10 idea. Now, in the 10 idea, whatever you generated, you are choosing a best to viable. Okay, means we can implement, you can develop the product. So that is next. Second concept is idea screening. So from the idea generated or internal source and external source, so now we need to go for screening. Idea what you generated, so what is the cost, what is the raw material is required, okay, whether it is a market demanded product, or so if anything which is related to generate an idea, you need to go for cost and benefit analysis. Okay, so now idea screening is each and every idea you are trying to go for screening, okay, choosing a best two idea. Okay, so now third step is a concept development and testing. Now after idea is finalized, now you selected out of 10 idea, you have selected 2 idea, or From this two idea, again you try to go for selecting a one best product, what you are decided to offering a consumer. So that's what now start developing a product. Okay. So only the small quantity you are trying to go for producing the product and testing. So after producing the product, of course, you are selecting a small segmentation or area. So now you are trying to go for test marketing. That is a third stage. Okay. So you can't produce a mass production. You are producing only small product. How you are finding a response from the consumers. Okay, now fourth step is a business analysis. So any businessman, if they are not doing a proper analysis, what is, suppose if I have selected best idea, whatever from the 10 idea, I have selected one idea. So I just want to go for feasibility analysis. So what is the cost is required, cost I want to investment, how many machinery is required, what and all the source is required, where exactly the customers are located, who is your target audience, whether I'm getting a profit or loss. So everything which is related to business analysis. Now, once your business analysis is a positive, then we are trying to go for product development. So the product development, in this case, third stage, we says produce only small quantity. So after producing, we try to go for launching a product in the test marketing. So in this case, after doing a business analysis, if there is any possibility result, okay, so then we are trying to go for mass production or large production. So that is nothing but, so you are generating the most of the product. Now you are compared to third stage and fifth stage, the quantity of production is increasing, the capacity of also increasing. Now after fifth stage, now test marketing. How the third step, you are trying to launch a product in the market to find out the response from the consumer. So now here also same thing, large quantity whatever you produce, again you try to go for market testing or testing market. So from this large consumers whom you are offering this product, now finally if you are getting a positive, then you are trying to go for commercializing. Any business is offering any product or service which is just for getting a profit. That is a commercialization. And moving for the 14th question, what are the elements of promotion mix? Okay, to this specific topic, third lesson, price and promotion. Okay, so here the question is the element. Under promotion, there are different elements we are finding, like advertising, sales promotion, publicity, okay, and personal selling. So there are different types of promotional tools we can identify. Each and every business are selecting a right promotion tool to promote the product and explain the factors affecting promotion mix. If you want to select any promotion tool, so you need to go for what and all the factors will affecting to the promotion mix. So the first one, the elements of promotion mix. So the first one, advertising, which is a print media, okay, which is a impersonal. Okay, in this we are not able to identify the person. Okay, and the second one, publicity. The publicity means what actually? We are just creating awareness without paying anything. So which is nothing but the reporters are writing opinion about your product. Okay, the publicity completely, which is an unpaid version. Now personal selling, which is nothing but sales representative, sales force you are appointing. In case of industrial product, you need to go and explain in front of the consumer how the product is working, the demonstration part. Okay, whenever the consumers are asking more and more queries towards your operation or quality, everything the person's representative, they are explaining. And the fourth one, sales promotion. All form of sales promotion. There are plenty of sales promotion they are doing. Okay, either demonstration or decoration or giving an offer or discount, everything which is always a shotgun approach, because the continuously the yearly 365 days they are not ready to spend for sales promotion. So there are different types of sales promotions, either the coupon which is related, a scratch card or contest or game. So everything which is coming under the sales promotion. Next one, direct marketing. So direct marketing, so the company are directly approaching for the consumer without taking any intermediator. In case of electronic goods, in case of any equipments, of course the distribution will be always for zero channel distribution. There you are not finding any mediators. So the factors affecting promotion mix, what are the factors are affecting? Of course, based on the product, based on the market, based on the product life cycle. So there are the different factors we are identified, right? So many business make the mistake assuming that they should focus on kind of promotion mix. So simply the blindly we cannot select any. For example, if the rural people, farmers, if they want to get any idea or any product which is related to fertilizer, if you try to forecast with the help of social media, so they are not aware because they are always depending on the radio, so which is a best example. So those who are reading a English newspaper, so they cannot refer for the other local language newspaper. So that is also very important. You need to select a right promotion mix. So this is not always true. Different kind of promotion will work best different business. There are different business, okay, they are offering a different product, okay, different service, what exactly, so which promotion tool is working much better, so they want to decide in advance. Here 5 key factor that affecting the promotion mix, not exactly 5, there is a many factors will influencing for the business promotional mix. So the first one, promotion budget allocation and objective and policy, because each and every company they are trying to prepare a promotional budget. What is an expenditure? Suppose if you are trying to spend for lakhs together or crores together, so within 1 year you cannot recover. So that's what the company, like a branded company, multinational company, so if they are entering into any specific segment or any specific geographical area, so they will prepare the budget in advance so that everything will be going very smooth. So and the objective towards, either you are creating just for awareness or expecting a more sales, so the company want to decide based on their objective. And policy which is related to the promotional policy, either I am going for yearly once promotion, or 3 years once, or 5 years once, or seasonal wise. So the policy which is giving a guideline for the company. And next factors, the product and its life cycle. The product life cycles will be how it is at the time of introduction, if there is any competitors or not, if there is no competitors, okay, so which is completely the each and every product having a life cycle. Now you need to study, so which stage I want to create awareness. So either I want to create awareness for the introduction stage, or growth stage, or the maturity stage, or decline stage, you need to decide, so based on the sales volume. Okay, and next one, buyer characteristic, because the promotion will, the buyer is always, the consumer are unique, we are finding unique consumers. Okay, again and again you have to remind what company is offering a product, so how you can reach the, so based on the characteristic also, which is very important for the promotional. And next one, competition and environmental factors. The competition, so what exactly, where I am standing, which competitive market segment, either I am a monopoly or oligopoly or pure perfect competition. Okay, there are different market, so who is my competitors? So based on the competition situation, I try to want to create a more awareness. Okay, and environmental other factors will be influencing. And next one, target market, whom I want to focus, who is my target customer or consumer. So either a industrial market or consumer market, the target audience or target consumers are very important. So that's what the market, based on the market also I just want to, so here types of market we know, based on the size, based on the volume, based on the transaction, so we need to choose the best market. So next to distribution channel now, so whether which is related to FMCG or FMCD, what kind of product you are offering, whom you are offering, exactly you need to know the much better towards the distribution channel. Either you are approaching for zero channel distribution without taking any intermediator, or you are taking one channel of distribution. So in case of FMCG, you are trying to go for always a multiple distribution channel. In case of industrial product, we are not trying to depend depend for the too many mediators we are not finding. So that's what the distribution channel is a very important here. And last question, write a note on the following. One is the role of technology in the marketing. So the technology part you are finding anywhere. So even the marketing also, they are trying to incorporate a technology. With the help of technology, they can do for marketing much better. You know the internet and digital marketing, how it is attracting or focusing more and more consumers. Okay, the role is very important. Now we are standing in the digital world. So the digital world is highly competitive, and marketers have to up their game to rise ahead in the competition. If you want to capture majority of market share, of course you need to depend on the technology so that you can reach wherever you think. So making the role of the technology in the marketing very important, because role is playing a very important, technology role is in the playing a different department, different functional area, not only marketing, other area also the technology part is very important. The print industry has been a powerful media, mass communication. You know the print media, either print media, digital, okay. So there are different print media we are identify using a technology. The print media is getting always benefited with the help of other companies, like they are contributing, they are depending on the print media just for creating, either it is a brochure or pamphlets, okay. So the catalog, whatever you are printing. But today online marketing has ensured in the resolution that they change the landscape marketing altogether, because online platform are focusing within a fraction of second you can reach wherever you think, okay. So then only you can capture the majority of market share. So the role of technology in the marketing, coupled with the element search engine optimization, pay per click, okay. So here PPC means pay per click. If anybody they try to go for searching using a Google search or any search engine, so which is generating like the search engine marketing. So here the digital marketing, you know the concept, how the digital marketing, how any customer, if they are searching any specific product or any service, easily with the help of search engine they will get to know there are different types of product. And social media has become a vital, that is play a vital role in the providing measurable result. The social media, which is completely technology based, okay, most of the company they are ready to spend for social media marketing, okay. They have an account like Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. With the help of social media they are trying to do for marketing, so using a technology. Next, second one, non-store retailing and consumer reference group, which is a non-store retail means actually the physical retail outlet, how it is located, and the same way non-store retail also with the help of electronic platform like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, which is the best example for the non-store retailing. And the last one, consumer reference group. Consumer are referring a many product, they will get an idea from the reference group called your family members, your classmates, your friend circle, your co-workers, okay. From the external source, how you are getting information about the product and service offered by the individual company, so which is nothing but the reference group, okay. So we are referring, with the help of reference group we are trying to take a decisions to purchase the product. So if you don't have any idea about the product, what kind of product I want to purchase, when I want to purchase, where I can get it, all the information I can collect from the reference group, okay. Keep on watch for next session. Thank you.